We need to dominate the cybersecurity and cloud computing game. Let's talk about that. Let's talk to my black peoples out there. I know some of you are like, oh, Lord, why are you doing that? Because I have to. So listen, when it comes to black folks and Hispanics, but I know in particular with black folks, across IT in general, it's only like, last time I checked, it's only like about 5%, 6% black people in the entire tech industry. Don't matter what you do in tech, whether you're coding, you're a data scientist, you're cybersecurity, that doesn't matter what you do. Database development, there's only like 5% across the entire IT industry. So, trying to get more brothers and sisters in here and Hispanics and minority. I mean, tech is dominated by white people and Asians. Let's just call it what it is. That's kind of what it is. Ain't no sense in being shocked about it. That's what it is. But in order to get more minorities, in particular black folks, involved in tech, well, first off, we got to get people interested in it. Because I saw some dude make a video or leave a comment on some video where they was talking about the way we get black people involved in tech, we have to make tech cool. I was like, what you mean? Well, I got to go throw some gold teeth in my mouth? I am a fan of gold teeth. But I'm not about to throw golds in my mouth. But what, I got to throw some gold teeth in my mouth, or I got to start holding up money stacks on Instagram to get people interested in tech? I don't feel like I have to do that. I mean, I'll show y'all pictures of my Jordans I post on my Instagram every now and then, but that's about as far as I'll go. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a fan of Jordans. But I don't know how to, when I hear people say we need to make it cool, I'm like, well, listen, I'm 42 years old. I'm a father of two. I got a teenage son. I'm not about to be putting skinny jeans on, playing mumble music, holding up money phones, and doing stupid TikTok dances in order to convince people that you need to get into cybersecurity. I mean, that's not me, dude. I'm a husband and a father that pays a mortgage. I take my youngest son to karate practice. Like, I'm one of them dudes. You know what I mean? That's my life. I don't know how to be that cool dude anymore. I'm a father. I could talk about the money we make all day long, or the possibilities of the money that you can make. I could talk about how easy this stuff actually is if you just study. I could talk about how you don't need to go to college to learn a lot of this stuff. You can just bypass college and get straight to the money. But, if people expect me to get up on here and in the latest fashion, I got Gucci belts and golds and colorful dreadlocks in my hair, and dude, I ain't doing all that. Y'all gonna see me up here with my little U.S. Army veterans cap and my same white t-shirts I wear every damn video. Eventually, I'm gonna throw button ups on here one day, but I'm at my house chilling. I don't have to put a button up on. At this point, you gotta want to do it for yourself. And then those that want to get into it, you gotta take it seriously. Learn what you can learn. Hopefully, you try to become a subject matter expert to the best of your abilities, and then go out there and impact those around you that can actually reach out and touch you and see what you're doing, if that's what you want to do. Some people, they just want to get their jobs, go home, go to work, go home and chill with their lady, their man, or whatever, and that's cool too. Taking over the IT industry, I don't think that's ever going to happen. I would be happy if the tech industry looked like the actual demographics of the country. What is, like, black people make up like what, 13, 14% of the country's population? If we had about 13, 14% representation, that would be cool. But I'm not about to go above and beyond trying to make it cool. Like, I'll be 50 years old in 8 years. I don't know how to be cool anymore. My cool days have gone. I'm a cool father and husband. So you recently got into tech at 28. All right, that's what's up. It's not too late. My youngest brother got into tech when he was about 27, 28. How old is he? He's 38 years old now. He's been doing tech for 10 years. He makes like $130,000 a year working in cybersecurity. He dropped out of college his freshman year. So you can do it too. He started the same age you currently are. And he started off help desk, basic certifications, man. Just went up, just became proficient at what he was doing. Now he's cashing in $130,000 checks every year. And he has no wife and no kids. So he can go out there and do all kind of stuff I can't do. In fact, my brother hit me up a couple months ago. Hey, man, let's go to Italy in November. I'm like, no, he said October. I'm like, man, don't you know I got kids in school, fool? I can't just up and plan a trip to go to Europe in October. I got kids that are in school, bro. He can do those things. He don't have kids. I can't. I got to plan everything around Christmas break, spring break, and summer break. Even my brother hit me. Like I say, he's 38. He ain't even cool like that. My brother he's just a video game junkie. He lives online playing them online video games. He'll spend his money. He's not really into like fashion like that. He ain't no nerd. He still get out there and get the ladies if he wanted. But when he spends money, he drops mad cheese on electronics, or he'll drop a lot of cheese on trips. Like when he goes on a trip, he's flying first class, staying at the top-notch hotels. Like he's doing it up. And matter of fact, he just got back from not Puerto Rico, one of them islands in the Caribbean, somewhere down there. He came back and he bought me a $500 bottle of vodka. I mean, not vodka, but rum as a gift. Like, here you go. I'm like, okay. Don't expect me to get you a $500 bottle because I ain't doing it. But anyway, so you can get it, man. If you're just starting out, you still got time. Just become proficient, man. You got brothers out there like Keep It Techie. He's the Linux guru. Y'all go sub to Keep It Techie. I posted videos on this channel with him before. He's all about that Linux. He got a whole Linux course up there on his channel somewhere where he's walking you through Linux, showing you all kind of stuff, right? Savage Scientist, he's into that programming stuff I know very little about. Professor Black Ops, wherever he's at. Here he is right here. Cybersecurity like me. Cybersecurity for the peoples. So we got people out there. You just got to take advantage of it if this is what you really want. And the beautiful thing about this is y'all got an advantage I didn't have. See, when I was coming up learning tech, I got into IT back in 2002, courtesy of me joining the Army. I didn't have YouTube in 2002. I had to go to the library. I had to go to Barnes and Nobles, buy books, study them joints, read them. You know, y'all got YouTube videos, you got Udemy, you got all type of online learning and resources. I wish I had back in my day to where y'all can go so much faster and so much further in a shorter amount of time. Take advantage of it. YouTube is a great platform. You can come on here and hear a lot of ignorant crap, get entertained for days, but make some time to learn something useful that can enhance your life, especially if you're a young man or young woman trying to figure out what you want to do, or if you're starting over, you know, whatever. So anyways, y'all sub to Tech G if you haven't. Hold on, what is that? They got it made. I learned tech in 94. I had to read books and they were already outdated. Yeah, man. Nobody likes reading books. Some books are dry and boring. Y'all can just watch YouTube videos.